Sciences grade 11. Today we'll be doing population growth forms. So first of all, we have geometric or J-shaped growth form. As you can see, it forms a J shape like this. This is why it's called a geometric or J-shaped growth form. Now we have effects of limiting factors on this graph, on this geometric or J-shaped growth form. And these factors are also known as environmental resistance. So we have a few examples: shortage of food and water, shortage of living space, predation, diseases and parasitism, shortage of shelter. When the numbers of a population increases, environmental resistance increases. Okay, so when the numbers of a population increase, environmental resistance increase. That means the number of a population is directly proportional to the environmental resistance. So due to the increase in mortality and decrease in natality, population growth decreases. Okay, so due to the increase in mortality and decrease in natality, population growth decreases. Okay, so when mortality increases and natality decreases, population growth decreases. Right, moving on, we have the second growth form called the logistic or S-shaped growth form. So as you can see here, we have 4 sections on this growth form. We have the light phase, acceleration growth phase or geometric growth phase, decelerating growth phase, and equilibrium phase. As you can see here, this is the carrying capacity, how much the earth can hold, like population, how much it can hold people, animals, how much the earth can hold, or how much it can sustain. And it can sustain only a number of people. That's what carrying capacity means. It's how much earth can sustain, how many people it can hold, it can sustain. So moving on, it acclimatizes and adapts to the environment. So that means the population gets used to this new environment that it has moved into. And then individuals must become sexually mature. Okay, so sexually mature. Then it takes time before new offspring are produced. Individuals seek partners for mating. Alright, so that's all about lag phase. We move on to the next section, which is acceleration growth phase or geometric growth phase. Acceleration, I wrote accelerating, excuse me for that. It's acceleration growth phase. During this phase, population grows rapidly and reaches its maximum growth rate. Very little or no environmental resistance at this stage. Right. Decelerating growth phase, which is this portion there, growth rate decreases due to an increase in environmental resistance. Natality is still higher than mortality. Again, one of these definitions, make sure you know them. Then we have equilibrium phase. Population numbers now reach the carrying capacity of the environment. Now I remember what equilibrium means. Equilibrium, if you know what that means, then you know what this is right there. Equilibrium phase. Population numbers now reach the carrying capacity of the environment and they stabilize around this value. Natality and mortality are approximately equal. Now here's the definition of carrying capacity. Carrying capacity is the maximum number of individuals that a specific environment can sustain. Like I said, the number of people that Earth can sustain. Okay, Earth can sustain. That environment is found in Earth. So it's the number of individuals that Earth can sustain, be it an animal or a person. It's the number of individuals Earth or a specific environment can sustain. So make sure you know this definition. That's it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.